Hello everyone. In today's video, we're going to speak about this amazing investment where 1 lakh invested has become 4.25 crores currently. Truly golden returns, as you would call it. And two simple learnings from this so that we can all generate this kind of returns from our investments as well. So what are we going to cover? Basic details of this investment, which has delivered 425x returns, and two simple investment risk lessons from it so that we can get similar returns from our portfolio as well. Standard disclaimer, investments are subject to market risk. Well, this simple investment over the period of last 30 years, October 1995 was the launch to October 2025 currently, has generated an investment return of 425x. That is a 1 lakh rupee investment at that point in time has become 4.25 crores currently. If you were to see this chart, this is the returns over a period of time. There is steady growth over this period of time. So herein comes the very first lesson. Buy a good investment and then hold it. Why golden? Because like we like to buy gold and never plan to sell it, same way we need to do with good investments. Moral, time in the market is more important than timing the market. Idea is not to buy, sell, but buy and hold. Next, on this specific investment, because a lot of people like to think that Google has all the answers. So Google ranking of these investments in the last 10 years. In 2015, it was ranked 18, 2016, 12, 2017, ranked number 10, and so forth. 2022, 23, it was ranked number 5, 2024, 23. So based on these rankings, would you really buy this investment? Best ranking of 5th, and in top 10 holdings, only 5, on top 10 in terms of performance, only 5 times in the last 10 years. I'm sure a lot of people would have a second thought around this investment, right? Now, let me put some other data for you. Different set of data for the same investment. Performance returns over periods, different time periods. In the last 1 year, 4.5%. Last 3 years, annualized 25, 29, 23. Over last 10 years, close to 18%. Ranked third. So it's been ranked between second, third, and fifth. So previous slide, you saw it never went beyond 5. So now what would you do based on this data? So all I'm trying to say is that same data can be presented in a different format depending on what you're actually looking at. And one disclaimer again, mutual fund investments are subject to market risk. So don't purely rely on data. Here comes the second lesson. Just buying the top performing fund or the investment in the last 12 months based on a Google search is not a great idea. Investing based on your goals, your timelines, and not based on recent returns or some friend's recommendation before understanding whether the trend is qualified or not makes sense as such. So these are the two lessons which if we were to implement, I think we would experience very good performance in our returns as well. So key takeaways, think long term and start today. Don't delay. Second is invest based on your goals, not on recent returns. Hope this video has helped. Do share this video with anyone who's speaking about recent returns. And happy investing. Give us a like if you like the video. Thank you. Good day.